Hey everyone, I'm Melanie from Streamline Legal, where we help law firms get the most out of their practice management software. Today I want to talk to you about the Snowflake Defense. Now the Snowflake Defense is where somebody says, I am so different and my situation is so different that something that applies to other people won't apply to me. So when we're talking about law firms, and particularly law firm management, we're talking about a situation that looks like this. They use the Snowflake Defense to say, my cases are so unique and my firm is so different that the things that are working for other people as far as systems and procedures go will not work in my law firm. And to those people, I only have one thing to say. You're wrong. You're just simply wrong. There is no snowflake that can't use a system. So here's where I want you, if you're thinking that this applies to you, this is where I want you to look for your systems or your procedures that you have and you just don't realize in most cases. So for example, if you or anyone on your staff is using checklists to try and make sure that we don't miss things throughout a case, if we are doing anything consistently, that's a great place to start looking. Or if you have a situation where you're billing hourly, you can go back to your last 10 bills on a similar type of case and find the similarities. And those are what you can create systems out of. So of course there are some practice areas where this works a lot easier than others. So for example, transactional work, it's a lot easier to identify what you're doing in a real estate closing versus what you might be doing in litigation. However, even in litigation, there are things that we can pick out. So for example, every time we file a motion to dismiss, here are the 10 steps that we take. Or every time that we respond to discovery, here are the 5 things that we do. So anything that you're doing within your law firm, I submit to you, can be turned into a system or a procedure. And you're just relying on the Snowflake Defense. So go ahead and reach out if you want to talk about it, want to challenge me. I'm happy to talk about it. Have a great afternoon.